you're always getting prettier, getting finer, richer, wiser, body silly and designer. But you're always getting.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl, Michaela. And before we go on into the video, please don't forget to like the video. Let us just take a minute to just click that thumbs up button, that thumbs up thing on the screen, please. Just do that for me, please. Right? Comment down below some fire emoji because this vlog is about to be so lit. Like, y'all, hands down. So this is my first day vlogging Carnival for 2025. I actually went to the launch party. I went to my launch. I went to the launch party. And now I'm going to Ring Road Carnival. I will be giving you guys clips of when I went to the launch party and when I went to Juve because I didn't really vlog. But for today, I'm going to try my best to vlog and keep you guys updated. Yeah, so my outfit is on the bed. I'm going to be doing my makeup now. I already curled up my hair. And all I'm going to do is just link up with the crew and just get on the road. What else? Nothing else, to be honest. It's like, it's gonna be just a vibe. So I'm gonna watch me get ready, as in do my makeup, iron along my body, put on my costume, and hop out, jump out. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your post notification bell to be notified when your girl Michaela uploads another video. Let's go.
No peace, I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, I've seen that way to me, I do the world, I've seen that. Yeah, nobody will be over. Not the Lord that they go far. Who's the woman that they buy? That's all they do, she died. And then I really put you too bad. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment.
Okay, let me show you guys. And I'm in the party, y'all like, y'all. I want a man. Hey. Some have on a stocking, but it don't really show some have on a stocking because the stocking is exactly my skin tone. Oh my god, I feel so pretty. I'm gonna start get ready. So I'm gonna wear this. Me can't find the next one, but I'm gonna try to find the next one to complement the whole fit. I'm gonna put some gems in my ear too. I feel so nice. I feel so nice. Guys, my costume is from Wire Dreams. You can check them out on Instagram. So yeah, Wire Dreams on Instagram. So remember, Jamaica Carnival is coming up, so you guys can get your costumes from her. And I can try to get you guys a discount. Just tell her that Michaela sent you, and then let us see if we can get a little discount, right? After our dog, and we're going out there jumping. So I have to spray up. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put on one of my, one of my bad color on them, cause I don't know how it go. I'm gonna get a nipple cover because me don't want, jump on it, go jump out. Okay guys, the fit is ready. I'm heading now to UA to start jumping.
So you had to rehearse that one.
Monday. How to make sure it's super.
Right up on campus, I'm gonna wait for my girl to stem and sing.
see it from the front. Girl, you have it, girl, you have it, girl, you have it. The box is so big. See it from the front. Why?
When you wind up, we say just wind it up real bro. And I need it that kind of wine. For some of the things I can't be transformed. Yeah, if you can drop it on one side, keep it up on it. Shut that. Shut down the grass is summer. You don't have a ring, you don't have a mister. Hands up, let me see your finger. Up, let me see your finger. You don't have a ring, then bend for the camera.
Pull up that challenge. Listen, ladies. If your boyfriend is not beside you, you're single till further notice. If your boyfriend is not beside you, you're single till further notice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let me know. Hey, that lady did walk around. Girls from Trinidad, girls from the Rover, girls from Jamaica, girls from Toronto. Somebody show me your hand. Do me a favor, don't tell me more behavior. Do me a favor, don't put me in no jail now. Do me a favor, don't tell me more behavior. Do me a favor. We want everybody put up something right now. We're gonna wave them a whole lot of you. We're gonna wave them right now. Mind, let's stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. What is it, mindless? We don't want no patagons. Every rock up in the air, every flag in the air. Start to wave them in the air. Start to wave them. Start to wave them. Start to wave. Wave. Energy, the raw magic that comes down from the grassroots. Yes, I'm from a place where soca there is sounding power. You could feel it anytime, and in our sunshine, our summer. Everybody, go on there, I come from it down, you're so carry it. We just so carry it, and it down, you're so. If you don't know, you know you're going. Start the way up. You're so carry it. We used to carry it for the crowd, we used to carry it. We used to carry it for the crowd, we used to carry it.
I've been waiting Activate now. Let me talk to you a little bit. Let me go, sir. So I don't think this work like a test. What's the three when it's up right now?
If you blue, DJ Heavy, the killers.
Tell me levels. And the count of cheer, want every girl tell me what kind of pants she is. Happy birthday to you. Ladies, you tired yet? How are we going in tonight? I don't know why we have to get like third when I wanna find the globe down too, so I wanna try stop you and close them with I wanna shine. Very good. I want to represent every girl in Jamaica right now. You don't have to be from here, I just want your wife. What's on you doing good right now? Level. Blueprint. We're representing the venues in the house. We're in the house. Barbados, Jamaica. Every party has one Jamaican people. Jumbo jet, straight out the jumbo jet, straight out the jumbo jet, straight out the bed. For tonight, I don't mind like rain. Because the body straight out the bed. All the nice clothes going get stale. Why not? If you can drop it on one side, tick tock on the two side. You cock it up If you do not have one of the Red Bull selector armbands, which are the blue and red armbands, make your way to the front of the stage. Don't put that down! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Everybody hands go up! Armbands up! Don't put them down. Don't put them down.
Put your motherfucking hand
Every armbands up, put them up.
Girl, in a bikini.
They'll come on this song.
Everybody
They'll come on this song. Armbands up.
in a pool party.
Armbands up.
Like a scene from a movie.
We're going to hear the armbands on there.
Everybody.
We're going to hear the armbands on there.
We now start, get ready day. Set up on start, meet we on the way. We lining up, ready to charge ahead.
Want to put up on answer. Put up on answer. Wave it. Wave it. Anyway, we go with flicks there. In a bankruptcy we flicks. No cycle back to Springfield. My road go straight to Lake State. Come tell them minutes to the rise for 6 way. Anyway, we go with bring peace, yeah. Anyway, we wanna jump. We go with sleep.
So guys, there you have it, UE Carnival 2025. It was such a beautiful experience. So overall I give it an 8 out of 10. You never get the whole 10 out of 10 because of some little small issues. Plus me they reach late for the ring road, so I never fully enjoy the whole moment. But yeah guys, it was a beautiful experience. Don't forget to interact with this post. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you guys next time. Stay tuned.